craft time, little stars. Today, we'll make a mini harvest basket, just like a little farmer's basket, but for your notes or small tasks. It's a cute way to practice organization in real life. You will need sturdy paper, markers or crayons, tape or glue, child-safe scissors, and stickers and ribbon. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. I'll be right here when you're ready.
Take your paper, cut a rectangle about the size of a bookmark but wider. Think of it as the front panel plus a bit of a flap. Fold the bottom edge up, creating a pocket. This forms the base of your mini basket. Now, fold the top edge down, like a little envelope, but will leave the center open. This will keep your basket shape. Leave the top open so you can drop small notes inside. Draw leaves, wheat, or something that feels earthy. Maybe label it things to do or helpful notes. You could add stickers or ribbons for extra charm. Cut a thin strip of paper as a handle. Tape each end inside your basket so you can hang it on a hook or carry it around.
Here's mine! You can jot down tasks like water the plants or give a friend a kind word and pop them in here. Each note is like a little harvest of helpfulness you can do each day. That's the energy of Virgo, organizing your daily tasks, but also adding care and kindness in the process. Let's say our shine line. I bring gentle order and help to my world.
Hi, Miss Sunny. I'm Fern, the Virgo star, and I love making sure everything's in the right place. But look, my folder's a mess. I tried to reorganize it, and now my papers are all jumbled up. Why is it so chaotic?
Oh, Fern, sometimes when we want to make things perfect, we pull everything out at once. That can look chaotic before it gets better. It's a part of the organizing process.
I thought I was failing as a Virgo. But if it's normal to have a little mess before order, maybe I'm doing okay. Just need to keep going, right?
Exactly. Keep going step by step. Maybe sort your papers by subject or by color. And if it's too much, ask someone for help. Virgo loves being helpful, but you're allowed to let others help you too.
That's a good idea. I'll ask my friend to hold the folder while I label the sections. Then we can share what we organize. Like a mini harvest of ideas, huh?
Yes, a harvest of ideas. What a wonderful way to see it. That's your Virgo energy, turning chaos into care. Are you excited to keep going?
I am now. Little stars, do you ever feel overwhelmed when trying to clean or fix something? Me too. But let's remember, organize means going step by step, not all at once.
Exactly.
I'm learning more with every try. Sometimes I soar, sometimes I sigh. But every step and twist I take helps me shine and helps me make glow and grow day by day. Stretching strong in my own way. Shining bright through ups and downs. My star still sparkles all around. Sometimes I mess up, start again. Mistakes can be my truest